Hello my loves! Right, it's day 12 and today's candle was Cinnamon Sparkle, which ties in nicely with the design I wanted to do on my nails, so we're going with it. I've removed my previous nails and now I'm going in with my Navy Professionals Ethel cuticle tool. I friggin' love this. Okay, now I'm going to be brutally honest with you. I was using what I now class as substandard cuticle tools before. And I've never had anything that performs like this. The way it glides along the surface of the nail and just gets through any dead tissue just so easily, and then it's really good at pushing that cuticle back. And when you've got a client, for example, with a small nail bed or that's a nail biter, you need as much surface area as you can get, so this is wonderful for that. And I have not been looking after my nails, so they are just gross. So I've just sped this bit up because obviously, you know, otherwise we'd be here for hours. I'm doing a different design on this hand, slightly different design to what I've got on the other hand, just to be annoying. And it's annoyed me actually that they don't match, but you know, I wanted to do a different design, so. So once they're all done, I'll then etch the nail plate, dehydrate, and then apply the pre-pinched tips from Glitter Planet UK. And then I've applied the extra strength acid primer from Diamond Nail Supplies, and I'm going in with a small bead of Clarity, which is the clear acrylic from Diamond Nail Supplies, and just applying that to every nail to protect it because we're going to be using colours and glitters. I'm back to using my size 10 round brush from the Glitter Fairy because I just feel like I work better with it. And I said that about my other brush, but you know, you go through periods where you just want a different brush, and this is the brush I'm loving today. And then going in with two colours. I'm going in with Bordeaux from Diamond Nail Supplies, which is being released. Eek! I don't know the exact date. And I'm going in with a gold. Now, the gold from Diamond Nail Supplies, I don't know when that's being released, but I think the name she's got for it is Molten Gold, but I don't know when it's being released. But I'm pretty sure, if I remember rightly, that the Bordeaux, which is this beautiful deep burgundy shimmer colour, is being released soon. Like soon. In fact, there's a lot being released like really soon. And as soon as I know, you will know. Trust me, I'm so excited. So I'm marbling these two colours, as you can see, they go so well together. Marbling them in. And just playing with them and dragging them through the nail. Because these tips are incredibly pinched, you really need to pay attention to the sidewalls when you're applying your product, because it's very easy to miss areas, especially if you're doing your own nails. Sorry if you can hear my tummy rumbling at any point, but it's literally 20 past 4 and all I've eaten today is a piece of toast and a banana, because I was too busy in the hairdressers being turned into a human unicorn. So once I'm happy with that, I'm actually going to go in and dot some of the holographic rose gold glitter from Diamond Nail Supplies. I don't know if she's named it. I'm not sure if she's named it yet. If you have, Jade, I'm so sorry. I know that the one on my Instagram where I did that clarity shot to show how clear it was, that chunky is called Very Berry. But I'm not sure of this one. This is the one I had the spillage with, and I literally scraped it out to use as much as I could. But I am now like, I don't have enough for a nail set, and I'm just waiting for it to come back in stock, which I think is tomorrow. On this nail, I'm going in with Bordeaux again. I do have a discount code for Diamond Nail Supplies, and I don't know how long it's continuing for, but they have been doing daily deals on Instagram, so you need to get over to Instagram and add them. I'll put all the links in the description box below, because some of these deals are like buy one get one free on acrylics. Now that's insane, so you know, back yourself a bargain. Bag a bargain, love. I love this colour so much. And obviously I had a tester pot because it's not been released yet, and I'm almost out of this now. I'm going to cry. I'm actually going to cry. I'm doing an ombre on this nail. I wanted to see how it ombreed with kind of like a really metallic shade. So I'm going in with the gold and then ombreing it. Sorry if I nip out of shot, I try and cut it out because I don't think you want to see the side of my hand forever. So it ombreed beautifully. It went really well. And that was kind of making me think of spicy cinnamon, you know, and no, sparkling cinnamon, sorry, and just Christmassiness and deliciousness. Maybe I should encapsulate some cinnamon, like a piece of cinnamon stick. That would just be weird and cool. Now I'm going in with this absolutely stunning rose gold holographic glitter. It is life. There are two versions actually. So this version is the one that should be in stock hopefully tomorrow. Keep checking the website or get hold of Jade directly through her Instagram or Facebook or the website. But this should be in stock within the next 24 hours. But she also has a chunky version, and it's got the multi-cut, and then it's got some chunky hexes and some stars, and the holographic shine on it is insane. So if you like to mix and match your glitters and you want some stars and some chunkies, that is on the website now. I keep track of it all because you know what I'm like. I'm a glitteraholic. Sorry about going out of shot. It's really hard doing your own nails and filming it because I can't see my camera. It's above me and I can't see what I'm filming. I have to guess. The struggle is so real. Oh, look at the hologram. I can't. It's just so pretty. I want to make my own glitter. I want it to be called Sarah, and I want it to be the most holographic thing ever known to man. I'm doing a full nail of this. Now this nail is on the wonk. I'm going to be honest with you right away. It's wonky. I have wonky fingers. They get very inflamed and they're starting to kind of, it's really weird, but it's like they're almost starting to twist a little bit. I've got to go to the hospital near Christmas time to talk about arthritis-y stuff. So when I applied the tip, I carried on the way my finger goes, and it's made it really wonky. It's just one of those things that when you're doing your own nails, last thing at night, you just forget, and I forgot. So I've made a bit of a bodge of that, and I do apologise, and I know it's not very good, but it was late, and I'm clearly rubbish. This is a full nail of Bordeaux because it's beautiful. That shimmer is so beautiful as well. I'm sorry if you can hear kids, it's, you know, noisy. And I've gone out of shot. Isn't that beautiful? Have a look at the creases in my hands. There we are. So again, remembering to check those sidewalls because these are super pinched. And it's worthwhile. I mean, I had a friend say to me today, actually, she was like, please do my nails before Christmas because I really want pinched nails. I want that curve thingy, she said. I want that curve thingy. So obviously it makes a lot of difference for people. Some people really love it. I love a C-curve, me. Oh, bloody love it. This nail is going to be Bordeaux ombreed with the holographic glitter, and I was at this point scraping the pot, desperately trying to get enough out. And also when I had the last bit in the pot, I did drop a little bit again. So, but yes, I'm pressing it into the wet acrylic as much as I can. And then you'll see me, I go out of shot, so I just cut the clip because there's absolutely no point in you looking at the side of my brush and not my nail. So then I decided to go in with a bead of acrylic and pick up some more bits and just finish off those sidewalls. It's just so pretty. That was me wiggling my fingers with delight. My wonky fingers, oh my god. Okay, so I'm going to cap now. I moisten the nail first with monomer. Sorry if you don't like the word moist. And then I apply the bead because I'm working with dark colours and glitter. So I want to make sure there's no dust. I want to make sure that it sets nicely. Minimum air bubbles and all that malarkey. As you can see, the bead stays where I put it, even though I'm working very wet. It's nice and simple to work with. Then I just feather it down the nail. I did go out of shot again, so I cut as part of the clip because, again, you're not going to want to look at the side of my hand. So I've come back in now and I've laid down another bead and I'm just blending it through the nail. I think capping and working on nails with a really tight C-curve is different and can be difficult when you first try it, but the end result is so elegant that it's just, I really love it. So I'm doing the same on here, capping away. Again, very easy to control the bead and do what I want with it. The reason I dragged a lot of it down the nail then was because I realised I had quite a big bead and I just wanted to kind of feather it down and then add a bit more and build up that apex with the first bead and then use the rest for the rest of the nail. I need to cut those stray hairs off my brush, they're annoying me. They keep coming back out again. So then I'm just patting and pulling the acrylic down the nail. And I do find that it's very, very easy to work with and it's not running away and I'm not chasing it, and I love that. Because I do work very wet, I've said it plenty of times, and for me a lot of systems tend to sort of run away. Oh, look at that glitter. Can't stop looking at it. So I've taken a side view and looked and thought, right, there's a little dip there, so I'll just add another bead. It adds in beautifully. So you must check from all angles, especially when you're doing your own nails. It's very, very easy to miss areas. Again, just laying a bit of monomer down over that glitter. And then going to go in with a nice bead. Keeping the monomer in my brush as I'm touching the acrylic because I need to get it sort of thinner. And just pulling that down the nail, and then I'll go and tidy up my sidewall area around a cuticle. So you can see all of the glitter turns matte when it's capped, so you know it's easy to tell, especially with holographics, it's very easy to tell if you've missed any. Here's a close-up of me, in and out of shot. So good. I can't believe we're 12 days into this challenge. I'm halfway there. It's a marathon, I'll tell you. Should have done 12 days, shouldn't I? Not 24. I don't know what I'm going to do for tomorrow. I'll have to think about that now, won't I? And then the same with this now. Capping darker colours can be a little bit more tricky, so make sure your nail is clean and make sure that you've put a little bit of monomer on the brush and just brushed it over. I find it works better that way. Pulling it down the nail. Keep going over, making it nice and smooth. And I'm sorry I forgot to film top coating. I added some gold Swarovski crystals. And this is the final thing. I hope you've enjoyed it. And I shall see you tomorrow. Bye!